My beautiful and amazing people, hey, hey. Wonders they say it shall never end. Oh. It never reach anywhere. Ipa don dey hear am hot. Una remember say the Senate all sit down put together. They agree on 18, telling Ipa say they find out some kind kurukere movement on top of the Anioma state wey e say e wan create. Say im go carry Ibanke join am for the Anioma state wey e wan create, whereas that particular community is not supposed to be joined in the Anioma state. So for that reason, they suspend am indefinitely, say make im hold on before they go approve or sign that particular governor whatever, because im say e wan create the Anioma state so that im go become the governor of the state. Na dem say they put am on hold first. Now as they put that one on hold, na e pastor dey go up and down concerning the senator. E say tok, you know say the reason wey make Ipa bin dey go as say e wan go create the Anioma state so that im go become governor na because im no trust himself for the second coming as a senator. So in order for him not to lose for both sides, make him just hold im guard, say at least if he no get this one, he go get this one. Na im make him dey push with him full chest to get that Anioma state done. So as they come dey give am gbas they come dey find out the kind kurukere movement wey im dey do. Say this one now no be to just approve, they go need to checkmate am. Wey the Senate President Godswill Akpabio do im findings. He say no be only Ibanke, including one other community like that wey be say they still dey few for there too, e carry am join. But na that Ibanke na dem even plenty small pass, wey really be a thing of suspicious, wey make dem talk say for now they dey suspend that particular one. So when im see say omo, e be like say im no dey get wetin im suppose dey get from im colleagues dem, because im dey enter dem one by one so that they go dey in support, make dem recall the matter again, so that when dem come talk say those in support say aye, those against say nay, make e be say the eye have it. By the time wey dem all support say talk, if im add Ibanke to am, make una allow am, make im just add am, make the thing fit complete, make im fit become the governor of the state. Make dem create the state. Na that one dey very very important. Make dem create the state first before they go even dey talk about any other thing. But people are not even talking about the creation again because their mind is already off the hook. Now, as im don enter all im colleagues dem, everybody no wan really give am that required energy, say they agree make im become the governor. No be even to become the governor na im be the koko. For the fact that he lied and covered up, at least he was supposed to tell them that okay oh, I was able to get the Anioma state oh, but it still remain so numbers of people for me to complete, make e complete a state, because according to they say they get some certain numbers wey a particular state is supposed to have. So you should have opened up to the Senate President, say to see oh, this community I wan carry am add to this community oh, as nobody don dey there. See as I wan do am, see as I wan do am. Then the man now go come now tell you say okay, it is very very okay, you can go ahead, or no, see the implication. If you do am like this, e no go work like this oh. If you do am like this, e no go do like this. See how you go do am wey the thing go work. And that's how a leader is supposed to communicate with im fellow leaders, so that everybody go dey alright, everything go go smoothly. But no, e see say na that one wey im go do those community people, wey im collect their land till today till tomorrow, nothing to write home about. Now they come say im come dey enter people as they no gree im con go enter the president. Na the president own na im con shortalize me pass. According to the information now, say im go meet the president, con even dey tell the president say im really do not have power to tell the president what to do o, but anything wey the president talk has come to stay. But wetin im wan talk be say im no use power take collect the Ibanke comot for anybody hand. Na the Ibanke people na dem talk say dem wan join the Anioma state, so that they will be calling them the Anioma state. They don't want to be all alone as a community standing alone, say dem no want am. Na im come say im bring some kind people, im get people wey be say they are ready to support him, and im go hear from the horse's mouth if im dey lie. Say im get people already wey im go bring come give the president make im see them, make the president see them, make im use im ear hear am, use im eye see them, where dem talk am practically that they are in support and that they want to gain their freedom and they want to join the Anioma state. Na im dey say the president come tell am say no be dat one be really be the bone of contention. For the fact say the senate president, a person of Godswill Akpabio, don tell am say they are working on it, checking on how they can bring the whole scenario together to bring about justice, so that e no go be say you dey use another person glory. So if I just give them that chance so that they go do the needful. But again, if e still say im wan bring the people from Ibanke, no need. Him wey be the president in person of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu come allegedly say im go look for those people, e go ask them. Then after e ask them their feedback, na im go determine wetin im go tell the senate president, wey the senate president go work with. Say sometimes all these things does not work the way im think say e dey work. No be to know the law, na to know how to go about everything that concerns the law. So im go get back to am after im don find out one or two from the Ibanke people, because definitely im don know talk say if im send Ipa go, dem fit go bring some kind people wey be say dem no even dey for that community. They go pay them make dem come do paid actors, make dem come do that chanting say na Ipa send them, Ipa is good, Ipa is this. Anybody wey dey work, na your work na im go really determine say okay o, this person is working. No be to come dey use mouth dey talk am say I am working o. Na your work na im go show workings, say yes you are trying your best, not the other way round. So even the president wey dey talk, no be say e really dey treat people right, but im know wetin im dey do, say if im continue like this, all states get am. All states get am for mind say you cannot manipulate people, you cannot turn case upside down, you cannot lie to them, you cannot carry their another person property give another person. So dem no go wan come try am for where im dey. So in order to be transparent, he will check up on those people, then get back to Ipa. But for now, it still stands that he should forget about the Anioma state for now, because with the hands, the capable hands wey im get, wey im dey see, they no really strong reach. Im go need more people wey go supersede in the process of everything put together. Na dey say Ipa was so disappointed that after everything wey im don do, after im don hustle im way, he don do everything possible, na wetin the president go come tell am be this, knowing fully well that all of them cannot love him, and all of them might not want to agree that they should do it that way. For him, he really wanted to create this Anioma state. That has been his dream for years, for decades. So he will not want that. Na him online in-laws come carry im matter for head say, in as much as say e say Regina Daniel no be am, she be bad luck. Na so bad luck, different one from every angle go dey follow am. because I didn't Regina Daniel dey, e carry her go there because Regina never even appear. Na im she call people at the top wey dey help her dey solve one or two. We want to come talk of you wey dey inside the top already. Na matter wey no suppose be matter normally na im dey fall person. You see Regina Daniel, as small as she is, wey im think say e for fit fall her, na she go later fall am because im think say she small, im go turn everything upside down against her. Na im make her God still dey run am today, tomorrow and forever. My people, na the matter be this o. The presidency now don talk am say lai lai o, whatever be their outcome, that they will get back to him. They are taking action. Unlike before, wey be say they will just sit down forget. Before you know, they will go buy another one. They go buy, do another thing. But this time around, it is not like that. They will check and get back. That way, it will even make lot of sense. Say make you know say you no go just jump from nowhere, come dey take decision for people. Na wetin dey in mind na im go do. My people, na the matter be this o. Make I softly drop am for una o. Go bring another story come for una. What are your take? What do you think? Make una come, make we interact with the comment section. Do you think Ipa really deserve what he's getting right now as a scammer for wetin im don do to Regina Daniel, for coming out publicly to disgrace her, to humiliate her? This one no pass all this humiliation. May God continue to dey do him wonders in our lives. Guys, na the matter be this. Make I softly drop my microphone, go bring another story come for una. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. I'm dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.